We are at Thurgood Marshall Academy and our team number is 885. Our overall strategy for this competition is that the small robot will be responsible for flipping the switch. The flipping of the switch is possible because of the small arm that is being moved from the down position to making it move up, which is possible because of the servo that is placed on the right side of the robot. After the switch is flipped, the long arm will be knocking off the cues off the platform, which we will make possible by making the motor rotate the robot. Afterwards, it will take care of separating the palms so that they are sorted by the servos that will be located in the middle of the robot that will go from left to right, but is not currently put in the robot yet. In the meantime, the big robot will have to position itself to catch the purple noodle once the switch is flipped with the little pull by making the robot move straight to the black line and rotating it. It will make its way to the lava tube area. There are two servos on the big robot. One will move from left to right and the other one will move from up and down to make sure the claws take care of putting the purple noodles inside of the lava tubes. We will prioritize the deeper lava tube. The arm used to flip the switch is composed of 0.75 bolt, 4 nuts, 1x10 metal piece, and also many different Legos such as 3 2x4 L-shaped Lego, a 4x4 lift arm, a 1x15 Lego, 1 sensor, and a servo to move it. The testing process of the two robots was difficult because the measurements were not always right. Sometimes this rotation of the robot was too much so the arm would miss the switch or would not knock off both of the cues off the platform. The effectors were tested multiple times to make sure the measurements were right and that there were any improvements needed to be made. The improvement needed to be made in the small robot is that the divider needs to be built so they can code it so it can separate the palms. Meanwhile, the big robot's run were always good. As well as the small robot, the robot was tested multiple times to make sure the measurements were right and if there were any improvements needed to be made. The improvements that need to be made on the big robot is that the claw needs to be stabilized.